In this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that if you don't do them, your YouTube channel will never grow. And stay until the end because number 5 is the one that destroys almost every beginner. So, you've been uploading videos on YouTube, but nothing seems to work. You check your views, and it's always the same story. 10, maybe 30 views if you're lucky. Meanwhile, you see small channels blowing up every day, and you start thinking maybe YouTube is just luck. But the truth is, it's not luck at all. Most people fail on YouTube for one reason. They ignore the real system behind how it works. I've been in the exact same situation, uploading videos with 0 results, trying to copy big creators, posting every single day, changing thumbnails over and over, but nothing actually worked. And the moment things changed was when I stopped guessing and started understanding how YouTube really works. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards behavior and structure. So let's break it down step by step.
Yeah, boy!
Number 1 is the hook. If your first 3 to 5 seconds are weak, your video is already dead. People don't come to YouTube to be patient. They come to decide instantly whether they stay or leave. So if you start slow, you lose them immediately. You need to start with a strong promise, a problem, or something that creates curiosity instantly. Number 2 is consistency, but not the way most people think. It's not just about uploading a lot of videos, it's about predictable uploading. Same rhythm, same schedule. Because YouTube is a system that learns patterns. If you upload randomly, the algorithm has no idea what to do with your channel, and that means no distribution. Number 3 is niche and topic selection. This is where most beginners completely fail. They think any video can go viral, but YouTube doesn't work like that. It pushes content that fits a clear audience. You need to choose a direction, not just random ideas, but a specific type of viewer you're targeting. And every video should speak directly to that viewer. Because if your audience is confused, YouTube is also confused, and confused channels don't grow. Now here's where it starts getting serious, because even if you fix these 3 things, you can still fail if you ignore the next ones. Number 4 is retention, and this is where most channels die silently. Getting views is not the problem. Keeping people watching is the real challenge. Because YouTube doesn't care how many people click, it cares how long they stay. If people click your video and leave after 10 or 20 seconds, YouTube sees that as a bad signal, and the result is simple. Your video stops getting recommended. So your job is to hold attention every single second. You do that with storytelling, fast pacing, and by always creating curiosity for what comes next. Never give everything at once. Always make the viewer think, okay, I need to watch a bit more, because that's how watch time builds, and watch time is what actually pushes your video.
Nice.
Number 5 is packaging, and this is the most ignored one. Your video could be amazing, but if nobody clicks it, it doesn't matter at all. Packaging means your title and thumbnail, and together they decide everything. Before anyone watches your video, they see your thumbnail in a split second and instantly decide, click or scroll. If your thumbnail is confusing or boring, you already lost the viewer, and your title has one job: create curiosity without explaining everything. YouTube is not just content, it's competition for attention. Every video is fighting for one click, and if you lose that fight, nothing else matters.
That's pretty good.
So let's quickly summarize everything. Number 1 is hook. You must grab attention in the first seconds. Number 2 is consistency. You must upload in a structured way. Number 3 is niche. You must target a clear audience. Number 4 is retention. You must keep people watching. And number 5 is packaging. You must make people click. If you fix just one of these, you might see small results, but if you fix all 5, your channel will completely change. Because YouTube is not random, it's a system based on viewer behavior. And once you understand that system, growth becomes predictable. But don't expect it to happen overnight. Most people quit too early, right before things start working. Every video you upload teaches you something, every click teaches you something, and every failure makes your next video better. The creators who succeed are not the most talented, they're the most consistent learners. So keep testing, keep improving, and don't overthink every upload. If you want, I can break down how to get your first 1,000 subscribers step by step. Just tell me in the comments. And if this helped you, make sure to subscribe because more videos like this are coming soon. See you in the next video.